Hi there, welcome to Python Tips and Tricks. In this video, I'm going to show you how to run a Python program written in Notepad or Notepad++. All right, so I have my Notepad file here. This Python program called listexample.py.py. Well, let me just open it so that you can see the code. So I wrote this program in Notepad++. So this is my code here, and I'm going to show you how to run it. So we reduce the size of the screen. And then we open the command prompt. So here we type the word Python in space, and I forgot to close this. You first close that. And just drag the file onto that screen like that. Then press enter, and that's it. So this is the output from my program. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you can get notifications each time I post a new video. See you next time.